If you're seeing a OneDrive error that says access denied, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most common fixes step by step so you can get back into your file as quickly as possible. This usually happens when you don't have permission to access the file or folder, when you're signed into the wrong Microsoft account, or when the sharing link is no longer valid. The good news is that most of these issues can be fixed in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick bug fixes. Let's get started. First, make sure you're signed into the correct account. Open OneDrive in your browser, then click your profile picture in the top corner. From there, choose Sign Out. After that, sign back in using the Microsoft account that should actually have access to the file. This step is very important because many access denied errors are caused by simply being logged into the wrong account. Once you're signed in, try opening the file again and see if the issue is gone. If the error is still there, the next thing to try is opening the link in a private window. If you're using Chrome, press Ctrl, Shift, and N to open an incognito tab, then paste the OneDrive link into that private window. If prompted, sign in again with the correct account. This helps rule out problems caused by saved cookies, old sessions, or account conflicts in your browser. If the file opens in private mode, that usually means the issue is related to your browser session rather than the OneDrive file itself. If that doesn't work, ask the file owner to create a new sharing link. Sometimes the old link has expired, been removed, or no longer has the right permissions attached to it. Contact the owner and ask them to generate a fresh link, then open that new link and test it again. In many cases, this immediately fixes the access denied message because the original share link was the real problem. Another very effective fix is clearing your browser cache. To do this, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete. In the Time Range menu, select All Time. Then make sure cookies and other site data is checked, along with cached images and files. After that, click Delete Data. Once the cache is cleared, sign in to OneDrive again and try the file one more time. This can remove corrupted session data that may be blocking access. If you're still getting the error, try another browser. Open Microsoft Edge or Firefox. Go to OneDrive and sign in with the correct account. Then open the file and see if the problem continues. Sometimes browser extensions, security settings, or temporary glitches in one browser can cause access issues, while another browser works perfectly fine. If none of those steps solve it, the issue may be on the permission side, meaning the owner needs to confirm that your account still has access. At that point, double-check the email address you're using, make sure the link is meant for you, and verify that the sharing settings allow access. That's especially important for work or school accounts, where file permissions can change without warning. And that's it. Those are the best ways to fix the OneDrive access denied error. Start by signing into the right account, then try a private window, request a new sharing link, clear your cache, and test another browser if needed. One of those steps usually gets the problem solved. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.